Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Zelle with Chase, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is how do you use Zelle with Chase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use Zelle with Chase? Well, that's pretty easy. Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money rapidly if your bank is enrolled with Zelle. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's actually all handled here in your Chase app. It's this blue and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Chase app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Chase app. This is the home screen here. Here on the home screen, you're going to see various accounts that you have with Chase. However, in order to use Zelle with Chase, there's actually two different ways to find it. One is this quick button right here called Send Zelle. However, if that's not there, you can also click down here on the bottom left. There's this button here called Pay and Transfer. It has a little $sign next to it. Let me click there. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to get the Pay and Transfer section of your Chase app. However, in order to use Zelle with Chase, you want to click on this button right here called Send Money with Zelle. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, it's going to show a list of people that you have sent money with Zelle, or they've sent you money with Zelle. However, you can go ahead and scroll through, and if you gave access to your contacts like I did, then Chase will be able to cross-reference their phone number with the registered users on Zelle. If they are a registered user with Zelle, you're going to have this little purple Z button. If that person has a little purple Z next to their letter, then you can go ahead and send them money with Zelle on your Chase app. And all you're going to do is just click on their name. Okay, once you click there, you can go ahead and choose how much money you would like to send with Zelle just by clicking on this. Now you can go ahead and enter how much you would like to send and click done. Okay, and then on this next line, you can go ahead and type how much or what this amount is for, and that's a note for that person. So when they receive Zelle from your Chase app, they're going to know what it's for. So dinner, babysitting, or whatever it is you're paying for. And next on this line, you can choose which account you want to make this payment from if you have multiple accounts with Chase. For me, I only have one, so I can't press that button. If you happen to have two checking accounts, then you can go ahead and click there and then choose which account it's going to come from. You can also schedule your Zelle payment with the Chase app, so I can send today or I can send for a future date. And then if it's something that's going to happen maybe annually or monthly, you can go ahead and check this. Now that I've turned that button blue, I can choose monthly and I can choose the date that the payment is going to send when I'm using Zelle with my Chase app. So for example, let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, now that I've opened it up, I get this pop-up, so I can choose how often or how frequently I want to send this Zelle payment through my Chase app. So yearly, twice per year, quarterly, if you wish to do so. But for me, this is a one-time payment, so I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this. Okay, so once you've made all those selections, you can go ahead and click on this blue review and send button. Okay, so next you get this confirmation screen letting you know who you're sending your Zelle payment to from your Chase app, the amount, what your name is going to appear, and also which account your Zelle payment is going to be funded through. So once you send it, as long as they have the purple Z next to them, then they will receive that money almost immediately in their bank account. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to use Zelle with your Chase app, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.